Are naproxen and Aleve the same? No, naproxen and Aleve are not the same, but they are related. Naproxen is the active ingredient in Aleve, which is a brand name for the drug. Naproxen is a nonsteroidal anti-inflammatory drug, NSAID, that helps reduce pain, inflammation, and swelling in the body. It is commonly used to relieve symptoms of various conditions, such as arthritis, menstrual cramps, and minor injuries. Aleve, on the other hand, is a specific brand of naproxen that is available over the counter. It contains the same active ingredient as prescription-strength naproxen, but at a lower dosage. Aleve is often used for temporary relief of minor aches and pains. To illustrate the difference, let's consider an example. If you were to visit a pharmacy and ask for naproxen, you might be given a generic version of the medication. However, if you specifically ask for Aleve, you will receive the brand name version of naproxen. It's worth noting that while both naproxen and Aleve serve the same purpose of alleviating pain and inflammation, they may have different dosages, formulations, and packaging. Therefore, it's essential to follow the recommended dosage instructions provided on the packaging or by your healthcare professional. In summary, naproxen and Aleve are not the same, but rather, Aleve is a brand name for the drug naproxen. Both are used to relieve pain and inflammation, but they may differ in dosage and packaging.